A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to GK class. Today in this GK class we are going to do book work. Take out your book. Open page number 42. Write down today's date, that is 22/12/20. Okay, you all have taken out the page number 42. Look, what is the chapter name? Road safety. What is the chapter name? Road safety. Okay. So, do you know what are the safeties that we should follow on the road? You already have learned in the EVS. Yes or no? Yes. So, shall we start? Look at the picture. Look at the very first picture. That a boy is looking outside the window from the bus. It is good. We should not look out of the window. Yes or no? We should not put our hand outside the window. We should not put our head outside the window. It may harm us. So, this is right or wrong? Wrong. So, you have to cross this. Okay? What you have to do? You have to cross this. Okay? Because this is bad. Look what heading is saying. Mark the following as either good or bad. If it is good, then you have to mark it like this. Okay, and if it is bad, then mark it like this. Okay. So look at the very first picture. A boy is looking outside the window from the bus. It is good habit or bad? Bad. So you have to put this cross sign. Okay. Over here. Okay. Here. Cross sign. Now comes to next picture. A girl is putting a belt. Yes, a girl sitting on a car and putting a belt. So it is a good habit or bad? While driving or while driving in a car, you have to put a belt. Okay, seat belt. So this is a good habit. So put this sign, tick. Okay, in this block here. Understood? Now come to next picture. Look, a family, a boy, girl and a father is crossing a road. Yes, in a zebra crossing. They all are crossing the road in the zebra crossing. So it is a good habit or bad? It is a good habit for road safety. So take it like this. Okay. Now comes to next one. A boy is listening a song using our headphones. Look, a boy is listening a music by putting a headphone on his ears. And look, he is not concentrating on the road. He is concentrating on the music. Yes or no? And a big hole is there. What will happen? If he will not look forward towards the road, then he will fall on that hole. Look, a dangerous sign is also given over here of red color. Yes. So it is a good habit. While walking on the road, we should not use mobiles or headphones. Okay. So this is bad. Put this wrong sign. Now comes to next one. A boy and girl is cycling. They are cycling on the cycle path, not on the main road. Okay, they are cycling on the footpath. So if they are cycling on the footpath, the accident will not happen. Yes. So this is good or bad? Good. So take this option. Beta. You also never used to ride a bicycle on a road. Always ride a bicycle on a bicycle path. Okay. Now comes to next picture. Look, some children are playing football in the road. It is good or bad? And a lot of vehicles coming. So what will happen now? They all will get injured. Accident may occur. Yes or no? They all will get hurt. So it is good to play on the road? No. So where should we play? At park. Yes or no? We should play at the park. So cross it because it is bad. Cross this. Then look, like this you have to do. Like this. Okay. Done. Now comes to next one. Look what is written. How to cross the road. Means how to cross a road. What are the safety rules that we follow while we are on the road? Look. Number 1. Before crossing the road, stand on the pavement away from the road. In this point, he is saying it is saying that before crossing the road means रोड को क्रॉस करने से पहले हम लोगों को कहाँ खड़ा होना चाहिए? रोड के किनारे, पेवमेंट में. ओके. एंड ना कि हम लोगों को रोड पे खड़ा होना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड, रिमेंबर टू स्टॉप, लुक एंड लिसन. अब रोड को क्रॉस करने से पहले आप क्या देखोगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू स्टॉप. Then you have to look both sides, left and right. Both sides you have to look. Then what you have to do? Listen. Okay. Now third, pay attention to your surroundings and listen for siren and horn. Now what you have to do? You have to pay attention to the surroundings you are standing. Okay. You have to listen the siren or horn, that from which side horn or siren sound is coming. Okay. Next, look left, right and then left again to ensure that there is no vehicle while you cross the road. Now what you have to do? You have to look left, right, again left to ensure that no vehicle should come. Then you have to cross the road. If vehicle is coming, that never used to cross the road. Okay. And one more thing, always cross the road on the zebra crossing. Okay. Understood everyone? Read all these 4 points for me. Read it out. Done. Everyone has read it out. Now comes to page number 43. Come to page number 43. Write down today's date over here, that is 22/12/20. What is the chapter name? Cares for animal. cares for animals. You have written the date. Now look. We are going to read the first paragraph. Put the finger. Like humans, animals feel both love and pain. Look, we are humans. Okay, we feel pain and love now. Same way, animals also feel pain and love. It is our duty to take care of them. It is our duty. Tell me one thing. Who cares for you? आपकी केयर कौन करता है? Your parents. Yes or no? आपकी केयर पेरेंट्स करते हैं. तो अब एनिमल्स की केयर कौन करेगा? आप करोगे. Okay? Understood? Now look. Do not throw stones at the stray dogs because they also feel pain. आपको कभी भी किसी को डॉग को देख के उसके ऊपर स्टोन नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. अगर आप उनके ऊपर स्टोन फेंकोगे तो उनको क्या होगा? पेन होगा. ये सुनो, आपको अगर कोई मारता है तो आपको पेन होता है. आप या कहीं गिर जाते हो पेन होता है. सेम वे एनिमल्स ऑल्सो फील पेन. उनको भी दर्द होता है. If you find anyone around you harassing or annoying an animal, try to stop them at once. We should respect life in all forms. अगर आप अपने आसपास के सराउंडिंग्स में किसी को भी देखते हो कि कोई एनिमल को परेशान कर रहा है, ठीक है, उसको तंग कर रहा है, मार रहा है, तो आप क्या करोगे? उनको स्टॉप करोगे कि यू शुड नॉट डू लाइक दिस बिकॉज एनिमल्स ऑल्सो फील पेन. Yes or no? Now, look. Do you know this yellow color box? Do you know? The Chandni Chowk area of Delhi has a hospital for birds. In Chandni Chowk area of Delhi, it has a hospital for birds. Okay. It has separate wards for different type of birds and different illness. The hospital admit 60 to 70 new patient every day. चांदनी चौक. चांदनी चौक बेटा कहाँ है? दिल्ली. वहाँ पर कौन सा हॉस्पिटल है? बर्ड का. यस. In that there are separate wards. सबके लिए सेपरेट वार्ड बनाए गए हैं हर एक अलग अलग बर्ड्स के लिए और उनकी अलग अलग बीमारियों के लिए. एंड डेली वहाँ पर 60 to 70 न्यू बर्ड्स आती हैं जो पेशेंट बन के आती हैं. ओके, दिस यू ऑल्सो हैव टू रिमेंबर. आई आस्क दिस इन दी एग्जाम्स. नाउ लुक व्हाट द हेडिंग इज. रीड व्हाट ईच एनिमल इज टेलिंग इट्स ह्यूमन फ्रेंड. आप match the dialogues with the right picture. Look, each animal is telling something to its human friend. Means जो animals है वो अपने human friends को कुछ बता रहे हैं. अब आपको ये देखना है कि कौन किसके dialogues हैं वो किसको बता रहा है. Okay? Look, dialogue A. Look, छोटा सा ही लिखा हुआ है. These all are the dialogues. Okay, and these are the numbers. So number 1. What this dog is saying? Will you feed us every day? What she is saying? Dog is saying, will you feed us every day? This is the first dialogue. Okay, क्या तुम मुझे डेली फीड करोगे? डेली मुझे खिलाओगे? ये कौन कहेगा? कौन कह रहा है बेटा ये? लुक एट दी थर्ड पिक्चर. ये कौन बोलेगा? लुक एट दी थर्ड पिक्चर. दिस वन. ओके, दिस गर्ल इज फीडिंग दी बर्ड्स. यस और नो? यस. So here you have to write down A. third one, write down it. These are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers. Okay. In number third, write down a dialogue. Will you feed us every day? Means these birds are asking to the girls. क्या तुम मुझे रोज खाना खिलाओगे? Look, girl क्या करेंगे? Cranes दे रही है किसको? Birds को. Okay. The birds are asking to the girl. So in third one, write down A. In third one, write down A. Okay. Now come to B. This one, this dialogue. Try catching me, Suhail. Yeah. Who is saying try catching me? मुझे पकड़ने की कोशिश करते रहो. कौन कह रहा है? कौन कहेगा? Rabbit. This picture. Rabbit is saying to the boy, Suhail, मुझे कैच करने की कोशिश करते रहो. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा फोर्थ के पास? बी. राइट डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ 4 बी. ओके. नाउ कम टू सी डायलॉग. दिस वन. दिस इज डायलॉग सी. थैंक यू मिधांश. इट्स नॉट हर्टिंग दैट बैडली नाउ. It is saying thank you Midhansh, it's not hurting that badly now. Thank you. अब मुझे पहले से कम दर्द हो रहा है. Who is saying this? Cat. Look, she is a cat and Midhansh is what he is doing? He is taking care of cat. Yes or no? So cat is saying to the Midhansh that it's not hurting now. Okay. So write down C in the second option here. In second number write down C. Now last one, D option. Stop tickling Anjana. Means this dog is saying to the Anjana, stop tickling me. मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो अब. मुझे गुदगुदी हो रही है. Okay. So write down in first D. Okay. Done. Now look. Fun activity is given in here. Down. After consulting with your parents, try to adopt a pet. Name it and take good care of it. You can also start an animal club with your friends and neighbors to look after stray animals. Look, here is an activity that after consulting your parents से बात करने के बाद आप चाहो तो एक घर पे कोई भी पेट ला सकते हो, अगर आपके पेरेंट्स ने परमिशन दी तो. ओके. आप उनसे बिल्कुल भी जिद नहीं करेंगे. ओके. If your parents are agree, then bring one pet at your home and take care of it. If अगर आपके घर पेट नहीं आ सकता है तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो. जो स्ट्रीट डॉग्स होते हैं, काउस, एनिमल्स, a lot of animals are there, birds, आप उनकी केयर कर सकते हो. ओके. कैसे? आप उनको खाने के लिए कुछ दे सकते हो, उनको हर्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर उनको कोई हर्ट कर रहा है तो आप क्या करोगे? उनको कहोगे कि आप एनिमल्स को हर्ट मत करिए बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो फील पेन. और आप उनको प्यार करिए. जैसे आपको पेरेंट्स प्यार करते हैं वैसे आप एनिमल्स को प्यार करिए. ओके. अगर आप एनिमल्स को परेशान नहीं करोगे तो वो आपको परेशान नहीं करेंगे. यस और नो? रीड दिस होल चैप्टर राइट नाउ. रीड इट आउट फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग एंड लुक व्हाट इज योर होमवर्क. Homework is read page number 42 and 43. Okay. This is your homework. Now read it out. Read out this page number 43 right now. Understood? This both page you have to read out at least 2 to 3 times. Understood? Thank you.